What happens when a family SUV gets the heart of a muscle car? You get the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, a 710 horsepower beast that hauls kids and hauls asphalt. It's loud, fast, and somehow still practical. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we take a closer look at the vehicles that blur the line between utility and insanity. Design. Let's kick things off with the looks. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat carries that familiar aggressive stance, but with a few tweaks. The front fascia has been refined with sharper lines and updated LED lighting. New wheel designs and Hellcat-specific accents keep it feeling fresh, but still unmistakably Dodge. It's bold, wide, and looks like it means business even when parked. Performance. Under the hood is the real story, a 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8, pushing 710 horsepower and 645 lb-ft of torque. Dodge has fine-tuned the cooling system and transmission mapping for smoother launches and better efficiency. Though let's be honest, efficiency isn't the priority here. This thing rockets from 0 to 60 in around 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the planet. It's ridiculously fun and surprisingly controlled, thanks to standard all-wheel drive and performance-tuned suspension. Features and technology. Inside, you'll find a spacious, well-equipped cabin with room for 6 or 7. The 10.1-inch Uconnect infotainment system is fast, intuitive, and comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get performance pages, launch control, and drive modes that range from street to track-ready. Premium materials, optional suede accents, and a Harman Kardon audio system elevate the experience even more. It's loud when you want it to be, quiet when you need it to be. Conclusion. So, is the 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat over the top? Absolutely. But in the best possible way. It's muscle, comfort, and chaos all in one brutal package. What do you think? Is there still a place for high-horsepower family haulers? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more bold reviews right here on Next Gen Reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the fast lane.